This week, we are neighbors. Miss Burke's kindergarteners, are you ready to learn? Let's first find out what a neighbor means. A neighbor is a person living next to you or someone that is in your community. Now turn to a partner and talk about what it means to be a good neighbor. When you are finished, write or draw what your partner said below. This week, we have 3 different lessons. Our science lesson will focus on the weather. We will do 2 different activities. On your sheet, circle the weather you like the best. Our language arts lesson will focus on being a kind person. On your sheet, draw 1 kind act and 1 unkind act in the boxes. Our math lesson will focus on the shapes. We will get to be shape hunters. On your sheet, draw a shape you see in the room. In our science lesson, we will learn how to tell the weather, how the weather affects us, and what it's like to be in a storm. Our language arts lesson, we will learn how to be a kind person and act out kindness with our friends, and how kindness changes the world. In our math lesson, we will learn the different shapes and see how shapes are all around us and become shape hunters. We also get to learn on the internet. Here are some sites that we will look at. Well, ready, set, go! Now that we've looked out over our next unit, we're going to dive right in. On your sheet, tell me what you already know about neighbors and one thing that you want to learn. Now let's go jump into learning. Who's excited for our fun week?